What's up YouTube? Welcome to this new video, and today we are going to see some new editing tips that is going to be super interesting. And today what you're going to learn is going to be super engaging for your audience, and these two are not real. No matter where you go onto social media, you wake up in the morning, you open your cell phone, you check Instagram, you check Facebook, you check YouTube. The only thing that keeps you stay on that channel or keeps you attracted to that particular content is having great videos. There are many things to content creation like sounds and lights and videos, and the effects that are being used in these videos all matters very importantly to have a captivating video in place for your audience. Now, content creation is the most in thing in today's world. Whether you're a YouTuber, you're a content creator for your own hobby, you're in Facebook, you're in Instagram, there are so many different kinds of content that is being put out every day for consumption of the entire audience base that the world has to offer. Now today we are going to see how can you really create great videos using Wondershare Filmora. Now, why do I prefer Wondershare Filmora? Because it has so many easy features that as a beginner you can start exploring. Of course, there is a ton of softwares which I already mentioned in my previous videos. There is Adobe Photoshop, there is Premiere Pro, there is CapCut, VN Editor, there is After Effects and DaVinci Resolve and whatnot. But today, precisely for this video, we will learn simple steps on creating content using Wondershare Filmora. If you're a beginner, why would I want to recommend Wondershare Filmora to you is because it has so many easy drag and drop features in terms of effects, transitions, titles, and everything that you need to make a captivating video for your audience. So let's get started and learn some quick simple steps. So as we open the Wondershare Filmora 11, this is the kind of UI that you get, and there are two options here. One, you can open a project if you're working on already an existing project, and the second one is you can start with a new project. Even before that, if you don't want to start a new project, there are some other modes here, like we have the instant mode available over here. So let us try the instant mode. So once you go into instant mode, you will see you have various options here, and there are many modes here to kickstart your instant mode creation journey. If you go to the create project tab back, now you will see that you have a few other features right on the top of your screen to help you. Like there is one feature which is the auto beat sync. You have a music and you want to sync it up with the videos sequences, you can use this. Here we have the screen recorder for Filmora. We have an AI portrait option. So we will go deeper into these features, but let me just try to show you how to create a new project using Filmora. So once I click on the new project, this is the screen that you have. This place is here. It's called the timeline, and this is the project media folder. So under the project media, what we will try to do is import a few videos. So once I click on here, I can import a few of the videos directly from any of the folders. I can go here, I can go to my videos here. So I have a few captures here. I can just drag this and go directly onto Filmora and drop it here. So there are two ways you can import. Feel free to choose the way you prefer the most. And now, in order to add this onto my timeline, I just need to drag it and drop it onto my timeline. The moment you drop this, you will see it will give you an option of the project settings of FPS and to match the media. So it's basically the frames per second. So I'm just going to go with the recommended one, which is being shown to me now. I'm going to drop the other one as well. So here's two videos that I have that I recorded in a previous instance, just to show you this demo. I have some inbuilt audio into this game while I was recording. Maybe it is my voice, or maybe it's the background music of this video itself. So what I'm going to do is to show you how you can detach any existing audio and associate your own audio with this. So what you need to do is, for example, this is the video clip that I'm selecting. I need to right click on this video and go to detach audio, and you will see it actually takes the audio out into the audio timeline and separates the video. So here now we have an option to increase the decibels of this audio in case you want to tweak with it, or maybe completely remove the audio from the video. So whenever now we play this, it's basically the video which is playing. That's pretty simple. And now we are going to add some audio to this just to make things a bit more interesting. So I'm going to go back to my folders, and I have a few of audio tracks which I have saved here. So I'm just select maybe this one and drop it here. So you can have the same folder to store your photos, your videos, your audios. Everything is just a drag and drop basically. So I'm just going to shift it to the right. I'm going to show you how I can even drag a thumbnail onto the same place. So I have a few other thumbnails here. So as you can see, these are some of the previously created thumbnails. So I'm just going to show you an example. I'm going to drag it onto my timeline. And now I will also add music to my video. I'm going to add this right over here. So if I just play it now, it's going to play like this. And in order to trim your video, it's pretty simple. So using the control and the middle mouse scroller, you can actually expand into your timeline or move out of your timeline like I'm doing right now. Or also you can use this icon here just to squeeze your timeline or expand it. Now, if there is a section that you want to take out, you can go to that section, and here is a quick crop tool. So I'm just going to go here, and maybe I just want to take this part out. So I'll go here, I'll just click on this one. It basically crops out the sections which is selected, and I'm going to go to the other part which I want to take out, and I'm going to also select the audio and the video layers, or maybe I can select both at the same time and hit crop. So that's going to cut this video section out, and I'm going to select this and press delete. So this is going to basically help me crop my videos. Now if I want to add a few more effects, so here is the effect section onto the top. Now you will have various different kinds of effects. There are certain limitations to the free version, and if you have a premier version, you will have ability to use furthermore effects as the software has to offer. So there is a ton of free stuff that you can already use. There is a lot of options that already Filmora offers. So suppose I want to use this one. It's kind of a wavy video feel that you will get here. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here and play it. So if I play this now, you can see my screen is waving. And you can add multiple other layers also. Suppose you want to have a soft background music and you want to have your audio. So if I want to reduce the music to a bit, I'll just go here and drag it downwards to reduce the decibels. So this is how you can see how many decibels negative I went. It's like minus 10.5 here, and I can add another audio layer here. So I'm going to go here and try to add some sound effects. I'm just adding a laser gun thunder kind of a thing at the beginning, and I'm going to play this. So there you have it, the effect at the beginning. Now we have added the effects, we have added sounds, we have added some music. It's time for titles. So we go to the title section. You have so many different titles to choose from. So if I go to some of the free titles here, you can see you can add your own title here at the beginning. So I'm just going to select everything here, drag it to the right, drag the title, drop it over here, maybe squeeze this a little bit and drag it to the front of my video, and I can name it as I want. Okay, so we have our title also, and there are various different kind of titles that you can add alongside your video. So I'll show you how it looks like. So if my video plays like this and then starts playing like this, you will see the lower third appearing here. Now we go to transitions. Now transitions, as the name suggests, you're going from one video to another different kind of video. So what you need to do is pretty simple. Drag it and drop it onto the video. So you can add a transition on top of a video, but you can add an effect on a different layer of a video. And how it's going to look like is this. Coming to the last and final most important part is exporting a video. And once we are here in export, you have so many different formats to export your video, and you can directly publish it onto YouTube if you have your YouTube channel logged in. You can also see the different device options to which you can export. So I'm going to go here and select my preset, which I have already saved here, the resolution and the FPS and other things. And it also produces an auto highlight for you. It kind of creates a YouTube short for you. So if you just have this selected, it will export two different videos for you. This is a really useful feature, and I use it extensively. So this is how you can use Filmora, and we will cover more in the next videos. We need your support to grow, so if you enjoyed this video, do smash the like and subscribe button and follow for more. Stay tuned and bye for now.